Okay, so again, we need a go-no-go poll for this second attempt.
Okay, so this is Jeff Wright again, and now Jeff Wright team is go for the second deploy, launcher number 2, and with that, I'd like to proceed go-no-go polling for the second deploy. So Representative Singapore, please.
Go.
Copy, go. Thank you very much. I will continue operation.
Thank you for the concurrence. And with that, the flight control team proceed their sequence of the deployment. And 90 seconds from now. And now we can clearly see the Earth on the both screens.
Ground 2 for Nick. 1 minute to the second deployment.
Copy, 1 minute.
Okay, seems like the astronaut on board are also ready for the deployment. Thirty seconds.
Station Space Ground 2 for satellite deployment. We will give you 10-second countdown. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deploy. Oh, on time. Congratulations. We are so happy and very proud supporting this mission. And if you could, please give us
on 2 for deployment.
That's Nick from
Go
the
ahead,
space
Nick.
station.
Yeah, Yoshi, just wanted to pass along some technical details and then some words. First off, the second deployment, the first deployment happened on time. The second deployment was about 4 seconds in advance of your call, which you had warned us of. And then I'm going to download these photos all to SSC 17. Copy.
You got good pictures.
Okay, we copy.
And Yoshi, just want to take the opportunity to congratulate Japan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Singapore on the successful deployments of these CubeSats. Specifically for Sri Lanka and Nepal, it being the first satellite from your country, it's a monumental achievement. And I think today's deployment is just another shining example of how the exploration of space brings countries around the world together.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your words. And all representatives of Nepal, Sri Lanka, Japan, and Singapore are so excited and glad to hear your voice. And we are very proud of working with you and all representatives. And thanks again for your great support.
Thank you, Yoshi. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Okay. Last, we'd like to have a speech from Singapore. Please, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, good evening, and I'm really excited here, so bear with me if I stumble. We're very excited here from the SSTA to be a catalyst in this mission. This is Singapore's first satellite launch from the International Space Station, and I'm so happy that we're now part of the greater space community in the collaborative work done on board the ISS. Of course, the very sophisticated payload, the 3U satellite that was just deployed, is really the hard work of the very brilliant team from the Centre of Quantum Technologies back in Singapore. This is a team led by Professor Arthur Eckert and his teammates, Dr. Robert Beddington, Aitor, Hua Ying, and I know back home the Xue Liang and Alex who can't join us. This is really the fruit of their labor, and SST is so proud that we have the opportunity to work with them in this significant moment for the space community in Singapore. Of course, we are always grateful and indebted to JAXA and our Japanese partners for giving us the opportunity to the research communities in Singapore and our Singapore students, giving them the opportunities to let their space dreams take off through a lot of your projects. And we look forward to more successful cooperation with our partners in Japan. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And on the behalf of flight control team, they were so excited, they are so proud, they are so happy for supporting today's mission. Thank you very much. And if you could please join me to send a big applause to the flight control team for their job well done.